This guide will show you how to install a 2005 to 2013 Mustang carbon fiber LG116 mirror switch cover. For the driver's side, remove mirror switch cover by pulling outward. You will need to disconnect the mirror position switch. Remove the fasteners from the mirror cover. Remove the mirror position switch by pushing from the inside out. Place the fasteners on the new mirror switch cover. Insert the mirror position switch to the new cover. Reconnect the mirror switch, then push new cover into position. For the passenger side, remove the original mirror switch cover. Next, remove the two fasteners and place them on the new mirror switch cover. Push the new mirror switch cover into position and you've completed the install. For more Trufiber products, visit trufiber.com or trucarbon.net.